So other ways to make money from WhatsApp are listed below. So let's head to 999.com. So as you can see, these are a series of ways to make money from WhatsApp. And you're watching this live from www.999.com. And apart from that, you can also download the PDF, the ebook version, by clicking this image. Okay. So far so good. We have published so many ways to make money from WhatsApp. And below I've just got a few other ways you can use to make money from WhatsApp. Okay, so this is it. So you just go through the article below here and discover how to make money from WhatsApp. Okay, so that is it. Another one is shorten links. You can make money from short links platform, and here we gave you a list of those platforms that pays. All these are a list of platforms that pays. If you click on any of them, it will take you to your website. Okay, so it will take you to their website. Okay, so etc. and etc. So you can also make money from WhatsApp by selling download copies. Okay, so these are just what few ways to make money on WhatsApp. Okay, and don't forget to click on this image and download the PDF version of this. This is share link and end website. Okay, so you can sign up to this website and come to now and read the article on how to make money from WhatsApp using this short-term URL platform. Okay, so see you in the next movie as we proceed on reviewing the complete systems on how to make money from WhatsApp. Live on 999.com, the University of 999.com.